Welcome to the battery shop. Today we'll be replacing the 12-volt battery in this 2020 Honda Odyssey. It's located right here under the hood. We'll have to start by taking off this plastic panel and the air intake, but we'll show you how to do all of that and replace the battery. Let's get started. With gloves and safety glasses on, first remove the plastic panel. Next we'll have to loosen and remove the plastic rivets from the air intake. And remove the air intake. Next, loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need your 10mm wrench for this. Then, remove the negative battery cable from the battery's negative terminal and set it off to the side. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. And remove the positive battery cable from the battery's positive terminal. Replace the cap and set it off to the side. Be sure not to touch any metal on the vehicle. Next, remove the wire harness from the top of the J-bolt. The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need a 10mm wrench for this. And then remove the hold-down bracket and J-bolts. And now remove the cover for the battery box. And now we can remove the old battery. And install the new battery. And now we can reinstall the cover for the battery box. Then reinstall the hold-down bracket and J-bolts. And tighten the fasteners. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable on the battery's positive terminal. It's always a good idea to clean any corrosion on the terminal before doing so. Then tighten the fastener. Next, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the battery's negative terminal. And tighten the fastener. Also replace the wire harness on top of the J-bolt. Next, reinstall the air intake. Insert and tighten the plastic rivets. Finally, reinstall the plastic panel. And we're done.